how to 1 versus 1 in Battlefront 2 with friends. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can do 1 versus 1 in Battlefront 2 with friends. So let's get started. First, launch the game and go to the options menu. From there, navigate to the e-account tab. You'll need to change your ping site to a region with lower activity. For most players, a less crowded region like Iceland or another low traffic area works best. These servers usually have fewer players, making it easier for both of you to match into the same lobby. Next, go back to the main menu and select multiplayer. Then choose either Heroes versus Villains or Hero Showdown, depending on which mode you prefer for your 1v1. Now, this part is important. You and your friend must not be in the same party. Make sure you're both in separate groups. Then count down together, for example, 3, 2, 1, go, and press the matchmaking button at the exact same time. Once the game starts searching, check the map name at the top of the screen. If both of you see the same map, there's a good chance you've entered the same match. If the maps are different, cancel the search and try again. Even if the maps match, you'll want to double check once the game starts. Sometimes the system will put you on the same team or even in two different instances of the same map. If that happens, simply back out and repeat the process. It may take a few attempts, but with a little patience and timing, you'll be able to get into a 1v1 match with your friend without using private lobbies. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.